Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce. So this is Rohit, and today I'm going to show you how to work on jQuery in Salesforce for LWC. jQuery is the library of the JavaScript, so it's very important for us once you are working in LWC terms. Okay, so please watch this video until end and let's get started. Okay, without any further delay. So here you can see jQuery in Salesforce for LWC, right? So there are so many steps to use jQuery in LWC. So first of all, you have to download first jQuery from the jQuery website. Okay, and like first step, download jQuery from the website, right? This is the first step. So let me open jQuery.com. This is the base website, or we can say main website of jQuery. And jQuery is here you can see like jQuery write less do more. This is the slogan, and it's a lightweight, CSS compiled, complaint, cross browser supportable. Here you can see, and now it's available for the jQuery UI, mobile, and Sizzle, and some QUnit. This is a testing purpose for. If you are working in mobile terms, so you can use this jQuery mobile. If you are working some UI part like user interface, touch and feel, so you can use jQuery UI. And here you can see download jQuery version 3.6.0, right? And the 1.x and 2. Branches no longer receive patches. So this is the latest one. Here you can see this one. This is the latest one. Okay, I already downloaded this file, but let me show you what is this. So just click this download jQuery, and now you can see different types of jQuery terms like compressed or uncompressed copy file. So if you don't know about the compressed or uncompressed copies of the jQuery library, so you always learn these things, because compressed is nothing but it's a minified version. Uncompressed is development version without minifest. Okay, so jQuery basically used for in two terms like production or development. Okay, so now you can see download compressed jQuery 3.01, and another is like development jQuery. Okay, there are so many things you can install with the help of npm node package manager, like npm install jQuery. This is the command also. And now you can see once you click this jQuery, and you can learn like jQuery is a fast, small and feature rich JavaScript library. Here you can see it's a not framework, it's a library, always remember. But come to the another term like Angular is a framework of the JavaScript. Okay, and here you can see it makes like HTML document travel and manipulation, event handling, animation and Ajax, much similar with a easy to use API to work across multitude of the browser. This is the okay, it support any browser, not like some browser Google Chrome or Mozilla, not like that. It support all browser. Okay, with a combination of extensible, all the things you can see like jQuery has changed the way the million of people so with this JavaScript, right? There are so many things available. So just click this download here, and if you are working in development part, so always choose this download uncompressed development jQuery. Just click this one, and here you can see the code. Okay, you can see uncompressed file. You can see here each and every line with functions and all the things variable like that. Okay, so it's a combination of the function. So how to download this one? Just Control S and save this file like this one. I already downloaded here. You can see this one, so I just cancel here, or you can save this file like this. Okay, now it's time to use this jQuery under the Salesforce with the help of LWC, Lightning Web Component. So how to do that? Just click here. Okay, here you can see this is my VS Code, and now you can see here this is small window to open your default org. Okay, so let me open first, and now by default org is opening now. And once this open, you have to use that library, we can say that jQuery under the Salesforce in static resource. Okay, so how to do that? So first of all, we can use under the static resource. I already used, but let me show you how to work on that. Okay, so here you can see this is the lightning experience, and now under the quick find you have to search like static resource. Just click this static resource here. Once you click this static resource, so you have to create your new resource. I already created one jQuery like that, so you can click, you can create with the help of new button, just like that, new. Once you click this new, so you have to enter your file name or anything as you want, because it's a very important for us, this name, because we will use this name under our code. Okay, and you can browse your file, and cache control always public, because private is not visible for outside of this environment. So always use as a public and choose your file as you downloaded this one, right? Okay, so you can choose and create this one. So this is the way to use jQuery under the static resource. Now it's time to use jQuery under the LWC component. So how to do that? So I already created one LWC component here, like jQuery demo. Just click this, and it's created 3 files, as you know very well, like HTML file, JS file, or metadata file, XML, right? So let me explain first HTML part. So here you can see template. Under the template, I already use one lightning card and some SLDS style sheet, or we can say style. This is the SLDS style, lightning design system. And under this div we have one class like as a flip. Under this div I have created one clickable function. Once you click this text, so it's open the slides up and down like that. And I have created one div, another like class panel. Under the panel you can see this paragraph, and have one class is inner div, and I have one handler like slide right, jQuery in LWC, like that. Okay, I have another paragraph for demo purpose. So this is the small structure about the HTML. So how to fetch this class, this on click functions under the JS file. So once you created your LWC component, so it's created one thing like for you, like import and some export default, something like that. Okay, so first of all you have to use your script like that, like import load script load style from this module package. Okay, this is the package from lightning/platform resource loader. So always check your jQuery is loaded or not. Not for jQuery, if you are using CSS or external JS, so always check this one. Okay, this is the best practice, always remember. And here you can see @resource URL jQuery. I already created this jQuery earlier, so just use this like that. And this is the alias name like jQuery, and you can use this jQuery under this one. So if you are good in LWC, so you know very well like the webhooks. Okay, like renderer, callback, constructor, connecting callback, like that. There are so many things, disconnecting callback, like that. So rendered callback is nothing but once the page is fully loaded, so all the script or any CSS automatically loaded here, and it's showing like jQuery is loaded. Okay, for this function like load script having this parameter like this, and jQuery this one, and it's showing like jQuery is loaded successfully. If jQuery is not loaded, so it's throwing some error under this catch block, right? And here you can see this is my event like slide it and slide right. So here you can see this slide it and slide right. So dollar is nothing, it's a global variable. Once you are working in jQuery, so always is coming up under the dollar. Okay, you can change this dollar based on your need, but this is the best practice to use dollar here. Okay, so dollar, this is the syntax. Basically syntax is like that, like dollar, then you have to write your selector here, like selector, and then dot, and use any function here. This is the syntax of the jQuery. Okay, so this syntax properly match this one. So let me comment out this here. Okay, so always remember, jQuery always work predefined functions. Okay, in a single source. So here you can see like $this dot template query selector. So you know very well this is current reference of this template. Query selector is something like as a select particular ID or class. So class always comes under the dot notation, like dot panel. I already created this dot panel. Okay, and here you can see like slide toggle. So this is the predefined functions. So once you fetch these things here to here, okay, this is the one part. Once you associate this dollars with dot operator, and you have to write your function like slide toggle. And slide toggle is nothing but like slow fast, is having some parameters. So if you don't know about jQuery, so you can learn from W3 schools. So it's a very best resource to learn jQuery. Okay, now you can see here like slide toggle predefined function, and here another things you can see like paragraph, add class, important, something like that. So you can use your CSS like that. Okay, under the slide right you can see this dot template query selector. This is the class, animate left 275 pixel here. Okay, so here you can see all the codes. Okay, under the metadata file I already enable like is exposed true. I already used like record page, under the record page, app page, home page, this component. So how to use in our Salesforce UI. So let me explain this one. So here you can see this is the Salesforce UI. So just click on the app launcher. Once you click this app launcher, you have to search any application as you want. So I already choose this sales application here, and now it's time to choose or select any record here. Like I already use this account as a record page. Here you can see this is the record and record page, and now you can see my include jQuery in LWC lightning web component. This is the paragraph. Click here to slide down or up. I just click here, you can see this is a slide down. Once you click this one, slide up, slide down, slide up. Here you can see like that. Okay, like that you can see, and it's a automatic added one class like a red because it's a paragraph. And once you click this jQuery in LWC, so you can see it's right 275 pixels here. Okay, so you can see here this is a jQuery like that. Okay, you can see. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt, like, share and share with your friends, and please watch this video, and till then, bye bye, take care.